Yeah, absolutely. So put out a press release on the vault zone, a couple of interesting updates. The next 2 drill holes that we have drilled have both hit. So we'll talk about those hits, but the most exciting part is we got assays back for 563B. So that hole was a nice 8.8, almost 9 meter intercept of massive sulfides. The grades in that look really good. So we're about 9% nickel, 12% copper, but a lot of PGEs as well. So about 10 grams platinum plus palladium over that interval, and oddly enough, 11 grams gold and 60 grams silver. So the nickel equivalent for that interval is about 20%, nickel equivalent, or almost 21. The copper is about 41. So really, really good rocks. It's very similar to what we had in 563, the original hole. So it's always good to get confirmation on that. This is a 16-meter step out. So now we have 2 holes that have assays in that area, and then on the drilling side we have 563C. So it's the 3rd hole targeting this area. It has also connected. So it's about 8 meters of massive sulfides and mixed massive sulfides. This was also a 16-meter step out. So there's 3 holes now that have hit that same mineralization in that area. Waiting on assays for that, but the core looks, you can see it in the photos. It's pretty good. And then the other update on the drilling side is we put a hole down next to 565. That was the stringer zone hole that kind of reached up higher. And we were testing a target that was much deeper. So this was kind of a bit of a surprise, but the mineralization actually kept climbing higher. So we hit mineralization in 567 about 20 meters higher than what we hit in 565, and it's thicker, it's wider as well. So the original hole in that area had about 19 meters of mixed massive sulfide or stringer zone mineralization. This one has about 35 meters. And it's just interesting that you can have that much variation over such a small distance. So we need to focus a little bit more on the borehole EM. There is a orientation change, so that's why we have to try different loops, different transmitter, and see if we can get this pinned down. But so far, drilling's going well, and assays are coming in.